Kia ora ana, welcome back to my channel for this Kuki Ukulele Strum tutorial 2. We'll get into it straight after this. Thanks for staying tuned. Now for this second strum that I'm about to teach you, it is quite complicated to those that are beginning to learn how to do this. This is also a offbeat strum, but I'll do my best to try and teach you as possible as I can. We'll be doing no changing of the chords, just the strumming technique. Now this strum is called takute. Takute in the Cook Islands, translated to English, is fill-in. The reason why it's a fill-in is because obviously it fills the gaps within the Cook Island string band to make it sound fuller. Now the pitch tone for this ukulele is a high pitch tone. In tutorial 1, the pitch tone for that ukulele is a low pitch tone. Sorry, my bad, I forgot to mention that in that tutorial. But as we carry on, the strumming technique for this ukulele is a 1-2. 1-2, okay? And that's continuously. Now to change that into motion in direction of using your hand, your index finger, the motion is down up. That's basically it, down up, okay? And it goes like this. Okay? Now, this is where it gets complicated. It's trying to do that following a kick, following the beat. For me to show you and break this down as easy as I can, we would have to do 3 kicks and 4 strums. So we will call this a strum. That's a 1 strum, 2 strum, 3 strum, whatever. And then we'll call this down strum and up strum. Okay, that's how we'll learn how to do this. Now the first kick that hits, the down strum hits with the kick. Okay, so it's like this, and then it comes back up. So that's the first strum and kick. Okay, the second strum, the kick this time hits with the strum coming up, the up strum. So the first one is, and then the second one is down first, and then the kick and the strum. So that's the second one. So first one, second one, okay. Now the third one, this time, the third strum hits first, so it's a, and then the kick. Okay, it's a, and then the kick. Now the fourth strum would play straight after the third kick, going back to the third strum that plays before the third kick. Now the fourth strum plays after that, and it sounds like this. Okay, one more time. Now this time they both connect back together again, going back to number 1 to repeat itself like a loop. And this is how it sounds slow. Alright, one more time. Now we'll pick it up a little bit faster. Okay, and now we'll pick it up a bit faster. Yeah? We'll do one more time, a bit faster. Okay, here we go. And that's basically how you play the takute ukulele, the fill-in for the Cook Island string band. Well, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you've picked up a bit, as it is quite complicated to learn, but practice makes perfect. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and click that notification button. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to lead a Cook Island string band. We'll see you in the next Cook Island Ukulele Strum tutorial 3.